Hi Tech family, welcome to the last video of Solidity programming language course. That will be the last video of this tutorial, and after that we will create a whole project in Solidity. But there are some important steps you need to understand. In this video we will see what is payable keyword in Solidity. When we write smart contracts in Solidity programming language, we need to ensure that the money is being sent to the contract balance or outside the contract. To make a function that will receive some ethers, we simply have to put the payable modifier for that. It will be clear to you when we move to our Remix IDE. In this video, we will also transfer the balance between different accounts. So let's see how we will do this. We are on our Remix IDE and all the things are on their place. So here we will create a function deposit. Its visibility will be public and payable. Just like this, we have created a function and we will not do anything in its body. That function can receive some payments to the account that will be stored in the contract balance. So through this function, we will transfer some ethers to this contract balance and we will then get it simply. Now we will create a function to get the balance function get bal, and then this will be public view because we are not doing any changes in the state variable, so this will be view, and returns uint because that the ether will be of uint type, and return. The thing we are doing in here will be a little bit different. To get the balance of our contract, we will simply have to do address, and address is a special data type that holds the 20-byte values and provides built-in functions like transfer and balance. And every account and the smart contract is represented with the unique address, and then parentheses and this dot balance. Just like this, that this here means the balance of this particular address. We are getting the balance of the contract, so that will be the balance of that particular contract. So now I will press Ctrl S. It's compiled. When I deploy it, we have two functions here. When I get balance, for now we have 0 balance in our contract. When I press deposit and again check it, we still have 0. Why is that? Just because we have not passed any value to transfer in the contract balance. So first we have to specify some value in here that we want to transfer to our contract balance. So I want to transfer, let's say, 3 ethers to the contract balance from that particular account, and that value unit will be ether because I want to send 3 ethers. After that selection, I will press this deposit, and you can see when I resize this terminal, that much transaction is done to the contract balance. That 00 is just because it's in the form of way, you can see here. And when I press the get balance, we got the 3 ether in the form of way unit. Just like this, using this payable keyword, we can make a function payable that will receive some ethers or money. And we have talked about in starting, we will do transaction between different accounts. So we have these fake accounts and fake ethers in place. We will do some transaction between these accounts, and you can see the balance is now 96 because we have transferred some balance to our contract balance. To do transaction between different accounts, now we have to create a variable of type address, and this will be payable, let's say honor equal to payable, and then some address here. I want to send some ether to that account 0xab and 8. I will select this and copy its address, paste it here, put semicolon here, and then close this. Now we will write a function to transfer some balance to that particular account. I will write a function send balance, or we can say send ether, and its visibility will be public. And the thing we have to do is honor dot transfer to ether. I want to transfer to ether to that particular account. So I will select another account. Let's say select this first one, and from this first account we will transfer 2 ethers to this account AB8, this account AB835CB2. And you can see we use the transfer here just because of this address provide us the transfer and the balance built-in functions. So after that, Ctrl S to compile and then deploy the contract. In the second instance, we have three functions in place. When I get the balance, we have 0. And now I want to transfer 5 ethers to the contract balance. Deposit. 5 ethers are transferred in the form of way. When I check it, we have the 5 ethers. And now I want to send 2 ethers through this function. So when I press this, when I again get the balance, now we have 3 ethers. And when I check out the account AB835, that account we have specified here has 102 ether because we have transferred 2 ether from this first account. Just like this, we can work with the payable keyword and do transaction between different accounts. So if you found this video helpful, hit a thumb on a like button and leave a comment if something is not clear to you. And also share with your friends who want to learn the Solidity programming language, and you will see the complete project in the Solidity programming language. So for now, goodbye, and I will see you in the next video.